Why, hello there. We're gonna do a Sephora Play unboxing, covering up my address. Woo! I just got this today. It was delivered last week, but it was in our apartment office and I'm lazy. So I'm opening it now for the first time. We have the little cheat sheet that I'm not gonna look at. Seeing some good stuff already. Cute little green bag. I wish they did cuter bags, like more reusable bags. This, like, I could reuse this, but like for what? It's like a glorified Ziploc. So, you know. Okay, first thing is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. I feel like they always give a moisturizer. This is a good brand, so I'm cool with that. We have a Caviar Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. You know, I don't really do much with my hair, obviously. Like, this is a greasy, stringy mess that's been up in a ponytail for 2 days. But, you know, I'll put it in a drawer and tell myself I'm gonna use it. Honestly. Okay, we have a Buxom lip product of some sort. Full-on lip cream in the color Hot Toddy. Give that a little swatcheroo. Ooh, very goopy. Okay, so it's just a gloss. It's cute. It's fine. It's like kind of sheer. It doesn't give me tingles or anything. Ooh, this gives me tingles. Okay, this is the world's tiniest sample, but I'm still excited. This is the Glam Glow Super Toner. The Glam Glow Super Toner Exfoliating Acid Solution. What kind of acid? Doesn't say, but if this is an AHA, I'm excited. I'm excited to use this because I love Glam Glow and it's slightly shimmery, and that makes me excited. The way to my heart is through shimmers. Okay, we have the Ren Clean Skincare Ever Calm. I'm not caffeinated today and I really need to be, so if I'm a little loopy, that's why. But this is a Global Protection Day Cream for sensitive skin. Gently massage onto clean face and neck until absorbed. I guess it's a moisturizer. Ooh, it's kind of thicker than I thought. That's what she said. Has a slight fragrance, but like, kind of reminds me of Burt's Bees. Like, I don't know, it's kind of marshmallowy. I don't know, just feels like a moisturizer. I don't know why they would give us 2 moisturizers in one box. Like, that could be a cleanser, and then you'd have a cleanser, a toner, and a moisturizer. But nobody asked me. Okay, we have Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara in Glossy Black. Glossy Black. How glossy? Yeah, I think I like my mascara to be matte, but I never really considered it. Okay, it's got a thick brush. It's kind of like swirly. You probably can't see any of that. You can't see that. Just take my word for it. It's like swirly. It's like a double helix shape. Oddly specific description, Emily. Nice. Nice. Alright, so that was, I don't know, nothing really excites me. The toner is exciting, but then if I like it, I have to use a really expensive toner. So that's, I don't know, mixed feelings about that. I don't really care about the hair stuff. I'll probably give this to my friend. Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. Perfects and protects medium to thick hair. Yeah. Does it smell good? Can't smell anything. I don't know, like, I probably won't use the gloss. I'm a little disappointed with this box. Last month was really good. This month is like, it's alright. It's alright. To make up for that, we can do a little mini Sephora haul because I went to Sephora yesterday. I also went to Lush yesterday, if you want to see that haul too, but Sephora has their sale still going on, so I thought I would show you. Okay, let's talk about one thing that I did not buy yesterday. I bought last week and I just haven't used it yet. It's a refill of my Hourglass powder because that powder, like, I still have some in there, but it is a struggle to get out. You can't see that. Why am I showing you? Just take my word for it. There's like a good 5 uses in there, but I just can't get it out. And I don't really want to take the risk of like taking off the sifter. So I bought a new one. This is 20 bucks for a little size, but it's so good. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, and then everything else is from the sale. So this I bought and I used it yesterday. This is the Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. This is like the mini size. This was $15. I liked it. It's got like sugar crystals in it to exfoliate, so it does have a physical exfoliant, but it's not too gritty where I feel like I'm like slicing my face. And then the sugar dissolves, and so the directions say to massage it until the sugar dissolves. So that is what I did. I like it. I don't think I woke up with any extra pimples, so that's good so far. I probably won't use this every day, even though it says that you can. I'll probably use it 2 or 3 times a week. But yeah, I like it. It smells good. It doesn't smell overly strawberry. It just smells like vaguely fruity. I like it. Okay, and then I got a Sephora foot mask. I don't know what else to say. I was a waiter and in retail, and then I was a teacher. So I've been on my feet like a million years. So my feet are like messed up because of it. So I got this. It was $4. I also need to get a pedicure. But this will like hold me over in between pedicures, right? 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 It's in the almond scent. I wanted a different scent, but I was in the cash wrap area and I didn't want to take a long time. So I just grabbed the first one and it was almond and I was like, yeah, all right. Okay, I got this with my points. This is a 100-point perk, the Glam Glow Glow Starter. I like this thing. I don't like it enough to buy it in full size, but I like it enough to spend 100 points on it. So I originally got one in my like birthday gift thing from Sephora and I liked it, but then I was like, I'm not gonna buy another one of these. So I did that. Unnecessary explanation. I got a refill of my serum that I have shoved down your throat a million times. I have a picture of it on my Instagram. It's just so good. This is the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum Collagen Boosted with True C Complex Facial Serum. Brightens, age defying, all day hydration, all skin types. I agree with that. I feel like I look the same age as when I started that, so that is good. I also got a refill of my Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is in the original scent because I like the bubblegum flavor. Ooh, there's... Oh, I thought it came with like an extra thing, but it's got one of these little like scoopers to scoop it. I don't scoop it. I just use my fingers like a cochina. So that's cool. And then last but not least, I got the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream Plus Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum SPF UVA UVB SPF 50 Plus Broad Spectrum Physical Sunscreen. It is a CC cream. You know I like BB creams. I got this cheap little boy that I like, but I wanted to try this because I've tried it a couple times and I like it a lot, and then for some reason I don't buy it and then I miss it, and then I'll probably remember why I didn't buy it. So that'll be cool. I like it. You need one or two pumps to cover your whole face. I got the color Fair Light, which I think is slightly too dark for me. Like I put it on my neck. Yeah, you can totally tell it's like kind of orange on me. Which is lame because in stores when I swatched it, I was like, oh dang, that is the perfect match. And it's not like it oxidized and got too dark. Like I put it on today and I was like, oh, that's a little too dark. So maybe I just need to go to the pool this weekend. Or maybe I need to return it. I don't know. I like it. It looks good. It's pretty. Oh yes. It's pretty full coverage for a BB cream. I actually got this for my mom too. I think she likes it. Mom, comment down below if you like this. Thanks. You the best. My mom watches all my videos. It's kind of nice. Yeah, so I like it. It's SPF 50. I thought it would be good. Like, my rationale was like, oh, we're going into fall. It's August. It's like 108 degrees outside right now. But I'm gonna need something more moisturizing on my skin for when it's cold. It's not gonna get cold till February. And also, I would use this during the summer anyway. I don't know, man. I justify things to myself all the time and they make no sense. Cool. So that was my Sephora Play unboxing and mini Sephora haul. If you want to see what I got from Lush, comment down below. So I'm gonna go because I'm supposed to film like 3 more videos today. So if you see this look, and boy is it a look, just know that I'm trying to batch my time a little bit. Oh, fudge everywhere. That's gonna be fun to edit. Me and Isabella are gonna say bye for now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell button so that you get notified every time I post a video, which by the way is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So you can keep track, put that in your little calendar. Speaking of calendars, if you'd like to see a plan with me, I posted one on Monday. I did a voiceover, so you can be proud of me. I learned things. Yes, comment down below what you picked up in the Sephora sale, if you did, or if you didn't, comment down below with something nice, you know, something positive and fun. By the way, I'm working on something exciting coming in the next couple of months, and I'm gonna start teasing it now so that you guys can be excited, and then slightly let down when I announce it on, like, I don't know, late September. Yeah, maybe before then. Probably late September. Cool, thanks.